Good morning, everyone. How are you doing, students? I hope you all are doing good. Now, today we will do revision of lesson number 9. It's about clean city. Now, question number 1 is write 2 suggestions to keep our home and surroundings clean. Write 2 suggestions to keep our home and surroundings clean. The answer is number 1, maintain basic hygiene. Maintain basic hygiene. Second, run cleanliness drive. Run cleanliness drive. Now, second one, how can we keep our classroom clean? How can we keep our classroom clean? First one is by using the dustbin. By using the dustbin. Second, by not standing on the tables and chairs and leave the marks or footprint on them. By not standing on the tables and chairs and leave the marks or footprint on them. Now, question number 3, why do we say no plastic? Why do we say no plastic? The answer is because plastic is harmful and non-biodegradable material. Because plastic is harmful and non-biodegradable material. Now, question number 4. Let us mark the right column by using this mark. Number 1, I will keep my room clean. It's true or false? It is true. Put tick mark here like this. I will keep my room clean. True. Second, I will not litter my surroundings with waste materials. Is it true or false? Is it true? Put mark here like this. Now third one, I will keep the plastic bags in the recycle bin. Is it true or false? Is it true? So put mark like this. Now fourth one, I will keep the groundnut peel under my seat while traveling in the train. I will keep the groundnut peel under my seat while traveling in the train. Is it true or false? It is false. So put cross here. Now students, listen carefully. All of you learn these question answers properly and true false part, and write in your copies at least 2 times properly in a good handwriting. Now thank you everyone. Take care. Now listen carefully students. Today you will do revision of lesson 6 and 7, and this is your homework. Write in your copies 2 times. Questions I am going to give. First one is, what is the secret of success? Second, write 3 ways to become successful in studies. Third, what was the reply of Lakshmi Nivas Mittal to the boy who wanted to become rich? Fourth one, who said the following, I will tell him not to abuse anyone. Second, Father forgave them, they do not know what they are doing. You have to write the names who said these lines. Now fifth one, make meaningful words. You have to correct this. ORFIVE, you have to write the correct word here, like forgive. ENTGLY, write here correct word. UPPSORT, write here also you write here correct word. IVDIVE, Here also you write correct word. UMHAN. Here also write correct word. Now do this work properly after learning in your copies at least 2 times. Now thank you everyone.